Hey everybody, Tanya Atomic here, and today I am excited to try Nomad Cosmetics, the Northern Lights series of singles, and I also have the quad for Encinitas that I'm going to be testing both of them out. So the quad is part of the California Duo quad. I got one of them. The Encinitas quad right here. It's got this cool box with a textured little surfboard, and on the back some little information there and the shades. Nomad is cruelty-free and vegan, which is one of the reasons why I love them, but also their formula is my favorite formula for eyeshadow. This is what the quad looks like here. I just got it. It's got a nice little mirror and 4 shades there, and information on the back there. And I'll just go ahead and swatch these. So Hang right here, it's like a nice tan sort of transition shade. Then we've got Chase, which is a teal. And these are all mattes. We have Carve, which is a pink. And then we have this brown called Chill. And they are not creamy, but they are very, very soft, very smooth. I think I might have got a little bit too much there. There, that looks a little bit better as far as those swatches go. And there's little surfboards that you can see there, and then the Nomad Cosmetics logo, which are all smushed now that I swatched, but super pretty shades. I love their formula. Their formulas are always very, very soft, very smooth, almost buttery without being creamy. They're very blendable. They're very intensely pigmented without being oversaturated, and I just love their formula so much. So I can't say enough about them, and the owners always hand sign little postcards when you get them in the mail. You get freebies, like on occasion, like I've gotten the Nomad Eyeshadow Primer before. So I also got the Northern Lights singles. So this is the first one, comes out of that box, and it is sort of this beautiful indigo. So, and these are all shimmers. The singles all come with these mirrors. So it's sort of a purple when swatched out, sort of bluish purple. And then this one is number 2, and that is a lovely green. And there's that swatched. This is number 3, and that's a lovely blue. So it looks a little powdery because I'm actually picking up too much product. But as you can see, as I swatch it out, it looks really, really lovely. And this last one is number 3. The blue one that I swatched is number 4. And this one is number 3. I got it mixed up. Number 3 is this lovely pink shimmer. And again, I picked up too much because they are very soft. But there's that swatch there. So these 4 mattes from the quad, and then these 4 are the Northern Lights singles, which I did get on a sale. I don't know if the sale is still going, but they had a really, really deep discounted sale for their single shadows, and I was able to take advantage of that. So I'll leave the link below to the website, but I don't know if the sale's still going on or not. Okay, so I'm just going to test out the palette here, and I'm going to start by going into Hang. And I'm just going to, it's got a little bit of dust here, just a little bit, not any crazy amount, but just to let you know, there is a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and go in my crease here. I did prime my eyes with the Nomad Eye Primer, which I find works really well with their shadows. I got it when I got the Tokyo Harajuku palette, and it works really well with that one and the Berlin palette. And so far it seems to be working well with this shadow. So I'm going to go in with Carve. And then there's a little bit of fallout here on the pan. And there is no fallout on the eyes, just in the pan itself. So I'm actually going all the way up to the brow with Carve. That is a lovely soft pink. I'm going to go on the outer V with Chill, darken it up here. Okay, Chill had a little bit of fallout, and it's also very pigmented, so you really just need to go very, very light-handed in this one. Okay, I think for on the eyes, I'm actually going to go in with the number 3 color from the Northern Lights, and that's a shimmer. It's this kind of rosy mauve shimmer color. So I'm going in with a flat, dense brush, but sometimes shimmers, I think because of the way they lay, they work really well if you apply them with your finger. So I'm actually going to try that. Okay, so that is working well with the finger. I think it has something to do with pressing it in or pressing it down. Apply a little bit with the brush to match both sides. Okay, I'm going to go in a little bit more with Chill, but just taking the lightest touch just to blend this a little bit more. And it actually was so dark that it covered the other shadow, so I'm going to go back in with that. And I'm going to take Carve again and just kind of blend some of this stuff out. And I'm going to take Chase here and put it on my lower lash line. And I'm going to blow it out a little bit with Carve. I'm going to go with this purpley one for the inside of the lower lash. And then I'm actually going to try this green for my inner corner. Okay, so I'm done trying all those out. I tried out every shadow but the blue, but I'm pretty confident that the blue is going to act the same way as these other shimmer shades. So I'm going to put my mascara on and be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and what are my final thoughts about my first impression of the Nomad Cosmetics, this quad, and the 4 single Northern Lights. I loved all the shadows. Everything worked exactly like any other Nomad shadow. The only shadow that gave me a little bit of an issue, and it wasn't even that bad, but it was this brown one, Chill. It was so highly pigmented, and there was a little bit of fallout. That's the only thing. So I mean, it's not bad to be highly pigmented. You just have to use a little bit of a softer hand going in. But otherwise, I did really like it. I used all the shadows except for the blue of the Northern Lights, but all the shimmers just were the same formula-wise, and blend wise and pigmented wise. They all seem the same. On my eyes I used Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara and Mega Slim Skinny Tip Eyeliner from Wet n Wild. On my lips is NYX Lip Lingerie in, what color is this? Oh, French Maid. Here's my kitty Max. And he's really cute. He came to jump up on my lap. And my kitty Onyx is over there, but I don't think I can get them both to sit on my lap at the same time. Although when I had my two girl cats, Violet and Chartreuse and Max would all pile up on your lap at the same time. It was really quite funny. They were really cute together. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments on the Nomad Cosmetics. I love Nomad Cosmetics, cruelty-free and vegan. And I will leave links below. Thanks for watching.